HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the language we use to create web pages. Think of it like the skeleton of a website. It provides the structure and tells the browser how to display the content. HTML uses tags to define different elements. Tags are like instructions enclosed in angle brackets. For example, indicates a heading and represents a paragraph. These tags are not displayed on the web page itself. Instead, they tell the browser how to interpret and render the content. Without HTML, websites would just be a jumbled mess of text and images. HTML is essential for web development because it provides the foundation for every web page on the internet. It's the language that web browsers understand and use to display websites correctly. When you visit a website, your browser reads the HTML code and uses it to structure the content, display images, and create links. Having a good understanding of HTML is crucial for anyone who wants to build websites, whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer. It's the first step towards creating engaging and interactive web experiences. HTML documents are built using tags, attributes, and a specific structure. Tags are the primary building blocks, defining different elements of a web page. They are enclosed in angle brackets, and attributes provide additional information about an element. They are placed within the opening tag and consist of a name-value pair. For instance, in E and R attributes. The structure of an HTML document follows a hierarchical pattern, typically starting with E followed by ullsumage and tags. The content within these tags is organized and displayed according to this structure. Section 4. Common HTML tags and their uses. Let's explore some common HTML tags. The tag encloses the entire HTML document. It tells the browser that this is an HTML document. The section contains metadata about the HTML document, such as the title and links to external resources. The tag defines the title of the HTML document, which is displayed in the browser's title bar or tab. The tag contains the visible content of the HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Tags like call and so on represent different levels of headings, with being the most important and being the least. The tag defines a paragraph of text. The tag inserts a line break. The tag embeds an image. The attribute specifies the image URL, and the attribute provides alternative text. The tag creates a hyperlink. The attribute specifies the URL the link points to, and the text between the opening and closing tags is the link text. These are just a few examples, and there are many other HTML tags available. Section 5. Your first HTML template. Here's a basic HTML template you can use as a starting point for your web pages. Section 6. Beginner tips for learning HTML. Here are some tips for beginners learning HTML. First, start with the basics. Focus on understanding the core concepts of HTML, such as tags, attributes, and structure. Second, use a good text editor. A good text editor will make it easier to write and edit your HTML code. Third, practice by building simple websites. The best way to learn HTML is to practice. Start by building simple websites, such as a personal website or a website for a hobby. Fourth, use online resources. There are many great online resources available for learning HTML, such as tutorials, documentation, and online courses. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you get stuck, don't be afraid to ask for help from more experienced developers. Learning HTML can seem daunting at first, but it's a rewarding skill to learn. With a little effort and patience, you'll be creating your own web pages in no time.